we are going to talk about the materials. The material for the fuel tank. Remember, we are going to use stainless steel series 300 or aluminum series 5000. And I don't recommend galvanized steel. I don't recommend thermoplate steel. I recommend only stainless steel series 300 marine grade or aluminum series 5000 marine grade. Yes, the enemy of the fuel tanks is the accumulation, the concentration of water on top of the tank, because that concentration of water produces this erosion, especially in the corners of the tank. This is a special situation in aluminum tanks. The name of that type of corrosion is poultice corrosion. We are going to study in our book of corrosion, that corrosion. What is the meaning of that corrosion? Some years ago, the boat builders, they fabricate the boats with the fuel tank integral with the hull. In other words, the fuel tank is a part of the hull. In between a couple of ball heads and the bilge, they close in fiberglass that area, and they dedicate that area for the fuel tank. This is not accepted in gasoline because the gasoline contains ethanol and methanol and degrade the resin and produce gel, and the gel enter in the fuel system and clog the injectors and destroy the injection system, especially in gasoline. Okay, what is the meaning of thermoplate steel? Thermoplate steel is an steel, regular steel, covered with lead and tin. This is not good. This is not good. Over the time, the coating will form a thick paste that will clog the diesel fuel. That's not good. I don't like that. Use only stainless steel series 300 marine approved. What is the inconvenience of this picture? Everything is okay. Feeding, aluminum feeding, aluminum feeding, aluminum feeding, aluminum feeding, copper feeding, and copper cap here. This is not good. Yeah? The more noble metal attack the less noble, and soon or later you have a leak over there. What happened in the second picture? What is wrong? What is wrong? You have carpet. You have carpet here in between the fiberglass and the aluminum tank. And you have a bracket in steel. This is a steel and produce corrosion. This is a steel, bad quality. It's not a stainless steel. It's regular steel. You have two wrong scenarios. You have the tank directly over the surface with a carpet in between. The carpet absorbs humidity, accumulate moisture, and destroy the aluminum, accelerate the poultice corrosion in the surface of the tank. And additionally, you have a regular plain steel, the bracket here, and the steel with the contact with the salt water produce excessive corrosion, and the corrosion attack the aluminum tank and attack the fiberglass. I want to share to you this wonderful design for a fuel tank. This is a professional installation of a fuel tank, and yes, my friend, this is the boat. It's a fish boat. Look at the straps to keep the fuel tank. Look at the suction of the fuel. Look at the cap, completely sealed. This is the fuel tank for that boat. Catastrophic, my friend. Follow the ABYC recommendations for the materials, for the installation, for the brackets. We are going to review quickly the situation. Never use copper fittings in aluminum tanks. If the tank is in stainless steel, you can use stainless steel fittings. If the tank is in aluminum, you can use aluminum fittings or stainless steel. In the stainless steel tank, you can also use copper fittings. Those connectors are excellent for fuel systems, because those connectors are hollow connectors. The fuel enter over there and the fuel continue here and enter normally at the input of the fuel injection pump. Okay, the discharge manifold supply fuel to the engine, and the return manifold return fuel into the tank. This is good. It's for organization. It's better. The engine room looks professional. The engine room looks organized, and the troubleshoot is easy because you can identify where is that the system is clogged, or where is that the system have a problem.